Welcome back to Villa Famiglia, everybody. It is week 38 of this project, and we have a ton of progress to show you. We've got the plumbers back on site. I don't know what they're doing because I haven't been inside to check it out yet. I do know that if we swing the camera over here, we have got the back of the house all framed up finally, and we are getting ready for the roofing to go on up there. So I am really excited to show you all of those details and how far that has come. Let's start moving instead of staying still. Let's go. All right, so how amazing does the back of this home look, right? We have got these beautiful Roman columns that have been put in place, and they come the whole way down through the deck, right? So these plywood boxes that are here right now, they're actually Roman columns that are just protected. But this just looks incredible. And now these clients are gonna have the most gloriously protected, dry, all year round, ready to rock and roll patio that is completely connected to their family room. Amazing. Well, I'd hope to be able to show you what it looks like to the back deck from the family room, but our team has already gone ahead and installed plywood over top of this folding door to protect it. So I'm not gonna be able to show you anything. And meanwhile, the inside of this house is a total mess because, well, it's not a mess, it's just there's a lot of stuff in here because there's a lot of stuff going on. So let's go upstairs and check out to see what's going on upstairs. I wanna just show a couple of things that you wanna be thinking about when you're doing your deck at your home. So number one is we wanna see about 6 inches between the roof and the top here. So this is gonna have to get built up a little bit. Sometimes it's difficult to predict the future, and here we came up a little bit short, but we're gonna fix that by just adding some more lumber on here. Life will be grand, not a big deal. Now, we don't want to install our railings on the top of our wall. Why? Because now we've got this beautiful waterproofing that we've just done, and then we put some screws through the waterproofing so that water can get in there. Don't come into the comment section and tell me about how you can caulk it and all this sort of stuff. Yeah, sure, it might work for a year or two, maybe 5, but tell you what, you go to a home that has a top-mounted railing, you're gonna find a home that has rot. That is inevitable. You cannot stop it from happening, which is also why they changed the building code. And by code, you can't top mount railings anymore. They have to go on they got to go on the side mount, right? All deck railings, all railings outside, side mounted. Now, why not install it to the outside? If we install it to the outside, this becomes what inspectors and reasonable person would be like the point at which somebody could fall over. So now, instead of having to be 36 inches above this deck, I now need to be 36 inches above this curb. No bueno, right? That's gonna put this railing way the hell up here. Whereas if we install the railing here, we only need to be 36 inches above this, which is gonna mean our railing is only gonna be here, thereby giving us this glorious view of downtown Vancouver right over there. That's a wrap on today, everybody. Listen, if you have a second story addition that you've been dreaming of, we would love to be your partners in success. Phone, website, use them. We'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, I sure would appreciate it if you'd like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me and the team, believe it or not. They love seeing how the channel's growing and what we're doing. In the meantime, as I always say, stay awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye now.